greater than, smaller than, and equal to questions. So how can you put your all those signs? So this is the sign of greater than. This is the sign of greater than. We know that sign, greater than. Means comparing things between two numbers. We should compare here and use this symbol, which symbol is greater than its before. So this is the sign of smaller than the number, or this is the sign of equal to. Equal to means any number is similar to others. So you can also use these signs, symbols in such ways. So at first write any number, imagine any number which is 2-3. So which sign we can use here? We can use two signs. If the question is greater than, so you can use these signs. This means 3 is greater than 2. So you can use this symbol. Imagine next number 5. 5-5. Here is both the numbers are equal because at first 5-5. Here we use the sign of equal to because both the numbers are similar. So 5 and 5 we should use here equal to because both the numbers are equal with each other. So imagine next number 23-27. So which sign we use here? We can use here both the signs, greater than, smaller than. It is depend on all the questions which was given by others. So 23 and 27, which sign we use here? We use greater than or smaller than sign. For an example, 23 is smaller than 27, so we should use here this sign. 23 is smaller than 27. If we use the greater sign, if we can use the greater sign, then we can write it this way. 23 is smaller than the 27. 23 is smaller than the 27. So this way, guys, you can solve all the questions with this way. So you have to remember this point. This is the sign of symbol of greater than. Next, this is the sign of smaller than that number. Like we can write here 2 is smaller than 3. We can also say that 3 is larger than 2. We can also, in next question, we can, when the questions or numerals are similar, we can say it is equal than other number. Like 5-5 we should use here, and we will use here equal to, the symbol of equal to, because both the numbers are similar to each other. So in that way you can solve your second question. Compare the following numbers and fill the circles using greater than, smaller than, and equal to. So let's solve our second question, sorry. Your second question is compare the following numbers in greater than, smaller than, and equal to. So your question number 2 is compare the following numbers and fill the circles using greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Guys, here we should use any symbol, but it all depends on the number what right there. So your question number A is 4-4. So which sign we should use here? We should use here the equal sign, because both the sides equal numbers are showing. So we should use the sign of equal to. After that, question number B, 6-5. 6-5. So which sign we can use here? We can use both the symbols of smaller than and greater than, because one number is smaller than others, or one number is larger than others. So we can use here 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. So we should use here the symbol of greater than. So after that, question number C, 3-30, because both the numbers in starting 3 and 30, both the numbers 3 is smaller than 30, because it is very smaller than 30. So here we use the sign of 3 is smaller than 30. So this is your question number 2 completed. Your question number 2 completed, and I am going for your question number 3. It is very easy to solve. It is very easy to solve. So question number 3, fill in the blanks. Here the question is inserting the simple add, which we also commonly, how can we add any number with each others? So here write the way of regular adding. So simple add, like 5 plus 3. How can we add both the numbers? 5, one sided number is 5 and the other side number is 3. So we can add this number by this way. After 5 we can count 3 numbers. After 5 we can count 3 numbers, like after 5 what should be going on? 6, 7 and 8. After 5 we can add 3, so lift your fingers, 1, 2, 3, 3 fingers, open your 3 fingers and you can add 5 plus 3. So after 5 what is the number we held? 6, 7 and 8. So you can solve this question very easily by this way, like we can, if we add 23 plus 46, in this way that question is not very easy to solve. So how can we solve it? At first, ones, both the numbers of the ones place adding with each other. 6 plus 3, at first you should add 3, 6 plus 3. So what is the total number after the adding of 6 plus 3? Both the numbers, if we add both the numbers, what should be held? So you can also write it by leave your fingers 6. So after 6 you can add 3 fingers more, so you can count by the next number after 6, 7, 8 and